Hello friends, so today we solve LeetCode 88 long problem merge sorted array. Okay, so let's start. First, create an for range loop. Runs from 0 to n. Okay, then access nums1 of m plus I is equal to access nums2 and store the element. Okay, and simply return nums1 and call sort function to sort the nums1 elements. Okay, so simply run it. Okay, I will show you the dry run process, so don't worry. Yeah, and simply submit it. Now showing the dry run part, how this code works. So today solve LeetCode 88 long problem merge sorted array. So we have two lists, nums1 and these elements and nums2 and these elements, and this is the nums1 number of elements and n is equal to nums2 number of elements. Okay, and this is the output. First see, this output is already in sorted order. Okay, so to get this output we need to modify nums1. So our first step is modify the nums1 elements. So nums1, we need this type of elements 3 and these 3 elements. If I sort these elements, then it is same to the output. Okay, so to modify the nums1 we need to create an for range loop. So for I in range and start from 0 and end is equal to n. Okay, then we access nums1. So nums1 of m, which is the 3, m plus I is equal to nums2 of I. Okay, this loop create this modified loop. Okay, if I dry run this code, then this is the current nums1 loop elements 1 2 3 0 0 0, and this is the index m. M means 3, so this is the m, and I start from 0 and n is equal to 3. So for range loop start from 0 and go to the 3, but 3 does not included in for range loop. So for range loop runs 0 1 2. So this is also I, because run from 0. So and store the nums1 element. So nums1 element is, this is 0 1 2. So nums1 element is 2. Okay, then I is equal to 1. So this loop 5, then I is equal to 2. I is equal to 2 m plus I, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So this element, so at this time we get this. Okay, if I simply return and nums1 dot sort and call the sort function, then it is written this.